Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable investing with Robinhood recurring buys step by step clearly. To enable recurring buys on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you wish to invest in. Select the stock or ETF from the search results to access its details page. On the details page, look for the trade button and tap it. Next, select buy from the options that appear. You will see an input field to enter the amount you wish to invest. Enter the dollar amount you want to allocate for each recurring buy. After entering the amount, look for the schedule option or a similar button. Tap on schedule to set up recurring buys. You will then be prompted to choose the frequency of your recurring buys. Select how often you want the purchases to occur, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Once you have selected the desired frequency, confirm the day of the week for the purchases. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. After confirming your choices, tap on Confirm or Done to finalize the setup. You should receive a confirmation that your recurring buys have been successfully enabled. Your recurring buys will now automatically execute according to the schedule you set. You can manage or edit these settings at any time in your account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.